Welcome back to the Savvy Campers. Today we're going to show you the absolute best way to lock up your batteries and prevent them from being stolen. This is the Battery Shackle. It goes around all four sides of your batteries and it will protect them from getting stolen. So let's break it down and show you how to install it. So to show you why the Battery Shackle works so well is that it encompasses all four sides of your batteries. So you've got three padlocks, one on each side and then one in the middle. So you've got this metal frame that goes on the bottom and all the way across, up, over the top, and then same thing in the middle, and then through between the batteries, so that no one can remove it, no one can take your batteries out without removing three padlocks, and the third padlock is really tough to get to, so with an angle grinder or something like that, it would be a very tough challenge to get to, basically in the middle behind back there. So we think it's pretty secure. It's a decent deal online, and it's worked for us so far. We haven't had any issues, and it's very easy to install. So first off, let me show you the three pieces to the Battery Shackle. So we've got the top piece, we've got the bottom piece, and then the middle piece, and also our three locks. So you take your bottom piece, put it under your batteries through your frame. Then your top piece comes along and fits on like this, and then you would use your padlock. I'm gonna just put one underneath to hold it up, and then you put this last piece through the middle, and that goes between your batteries, and then you squeeze it together and put your lock through there. So you've got locks on all sides and then through the middle with this bar, so really no one can take or shift this around or move it to access your batteries without your knowing. So let's go ahead and look at the trailer and get this installed. First off, we're going to take our bottom plate and set it under the trailer, under your batteries, and then we'll go around and push it up through the frame. So to show you what that looks like, so we've got the Battery Shackle pushed up right here next to the battery. So we're going to go ahead and put the top on next. So underneath, you can see this frame goes around your battery cage right here, and it will actually lock in between, so no one can shift it enough to squeeze a battery out. So next we'll take our top piece and we'll push it down through. And then we'll line up the locks right now. So we've got this side done. So then this side we will hold up and push through. So push it through your hole like that. And then while you're holding it, take your lock just to hold it in place. And then now we've got the final middle piece with the lock that will go on the end like that. So I'll have to go underneath and put this in, and then I'll show you all the way around. Actually, I did find it's a bit easier to run this way through the propane, between the propane tanks, just because running the other way is really not feasible. So let's get that pushed through, grab our lock, and then go underneath. So it's really tough to hold the camera as it's a two-hand job, but as you can see, that slides through that hole there, and then we've got our lock. So let's go ahead and tighten our lock, close it up. So this is all locked up. So as you can see, the middle frame extends beyond the battery frame, so no one can actually pull it out. And then it goes up the side to that lock. So to finish, let's go ahead and lock these two. You want to tighten it as much as you can. I cannot get down to the third tightness. If you do find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and we've got all sorts of good stuff like this showing you how-tos and how to protect your trailer and how to fix and do lots of things that you might need, like such as an inverter install, solar install, winterize, all sorts of videos. So okay, so now we've got our 3 locks locked up, and then we are done. It's a quick, easy install, great way to protect your expensive lithium or lead acid batteries. And it's once it's installed, it's very secure. It does not move. We found the Battery Shackle to be one of the best on the market as far as ease of installation and protection. So it'll also help keep your batteries in place in case your straps do fly off. So if you want to check out more, there'll be a link in the description. And happy camping, and we'll see you at the campground.